This is Doug, KI7LIK. This is my first 40 meter build as the zooms here. Had help from one of my elmers tuning this up. Now that I'm in general, I can actually use this. Tunes up really well on the 40 meter band in the general portion. Most of you have a 1.5 to 1 or less SWR and right around 50 ohms in most spots. I just used a center conductor or center insulator. I forget the name of the brand right now, but another one of my elmers gave that to me to try using 12 gauge stranded house wire. A little stiff, but still works good. I suggest that everyone builds their own stuff and learns how to do things, because it really feels a lot better than just straight buying. It's a lot of fun, even though it can be frustrating. I'm not the best at soldering because I don't do it as often as I should. And then there's my CB antenna. It works actually very well on 10 meters as well. Have a great evening. KI7LIK.